Welcome to this video on Qlik Sense Online Training, a comprehensive course designed to equip you with the essential skills for modern business intelligence and data analysis. This training covers everything from data loading and modeling to dashboard creation and analytics. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, our expert-led sessions and hands-on projects will help you make data-driven decisions with confidence. Why choose our training? We offer expert-led live online sessions combined with practical, real-time projects. Additionally, we support your career growth with certification guidance, resume preparation, and dedicated placement assistance. This course features comprehensive coverage of Qlik Sense, including interactive dashboard development, data loading and modeling, advanced expressions, set analysis, and real-time case studies. The benefits of this training include improved data analysis skills, direct learning from industry experts, and building a strong foundation in real-time business intelligence to enhance your career opportunities and certification preparation. This program prepares you for various roles in the industry, including Qlik Sense Developer, BI Developer, and Reporting Analyst, where you will design dashboards, build BI solutions, and create automated reports. In conclusion, this training is the ideal step for building a successful career in business intelligence and analytics. Enroll today to gain the practical skills needed to become a confident, professional Qlik Sense expert. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact us at the phone number or email address provided on the screen, or visit our website.